A little update. I have the timing covers on, alternator brackets on, got all the fuel rail stuff on, some of these vacuum lines, rear engine mount, all the coolant lines for the throttle body. So all I've got to do now is I ordered a gasket for the rear main seal plate here. I'm gonna have to take it off the stand, put it on the hoist, install the rear main seal, and then bring it back, put it back on the stand so I can put the oil pan on, and then I can put the headers on. And then I've ordered some new spark plug wires because those ones are a little old. But that's pretty much it for the engine. Engine is pretty much together. After that, I'll put the power steering pump on. It goes here. It's really dirty. I need to clean it up. And then I'll put the alternator on and put those belts on and move on to cleaning up the transmission. It's pretty fucking dirty. Still got an axle stub in it, so I'll have to get that out of there, order a new mount, and clean that up, get it ready. And then I can put this back on the hoist and put all my clutch kit shit on there. And then before all of that goes in here, I gotta put all the power steering lines into place, put in the ES300 Evo solenoid, and I have to make a wiring harness so I can connect it to the PCM. I'm gonna be going through that grommet over there with a homemade harness for it. And after I do that, get some cotter pins for attaching the shift cables to the little dually mobobitors. And yeah, then that and this can go in here. Hell yeah.